got this.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all doing well. So those who are new can see my messy hair look as I have created before the video tutorial, because we don't want to waste much time and it's a quick short tutorial. So guys, what mugshot look is? Mugshot look is to show your expression, how angry, how sad. So आजकल ये mugshot look बहुत ज़्यादा in है. As you guys can see, it's so much viral on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, that I have got some of the ideas through which I can create this look, and today I am here to create this look for mugshot. So guys, mugshot look is basically for fun, and if you like to do or if you want to create this look, you can see my tutorial and do the same as I am doing. So without any further, just get into the video.
First step is to apply moisturizer. You can use any moisturizer that suits your skin. This helps in preparing your skin well before makeup. Apply it gently to your skin. Then we have to apply MAC foundation according to your shade. You can use any foundation based on your preference, but its coverage and volume should be adequate. Take 2 pumps of foundation and blend it until your skin looks decent. Here I am taking my under eye concealer in shade Ivory and applying it on my highlighting points as well. Next step is to apply compact powder or loose powder according to your choice. Make sure to apply suitable amount of powder, otherwise your skin will look cakey. Now for a brown smoky eye look, we are going to take a nude reddish brown sort of shade and blend it properly on our eyelid. I am taking my Morphe palette and applying this dark brownish shimmery shade on the corners and below my lids. We will apply some of it on the bottom of our nose, like so. Then take reddish pink color and apply under both the eyes. Take black color to make it more realistic and blend it with other eyeshadows also. Further, we will mix black and brown shade on our brush and apply on our cupid bow and nose. Now again take reddish brown color and apply it on different parts of your face as shown. Then take some black gel liner and smudge it over and under your eyes. Make some scars and sign with black liner. Also smudge it on your lips. Continue making mark with black gel liner on your neck and fill it with black and brownish shade in your eye palette to make it look more real. Then I will put some black and brown shade from my eyeshadow palette and blend it well. Use red lipstick as blood and present it dripping from different parts. Then blend it via your finger. Then apply more red eyeshadow on the scars. So with this we have completed our look.
सो गाइज़, अगर आपको ये लुक मेरा स्कैरी और अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज़ ज़रूर कमेंट सेक्शन बॉक्स में कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताना कि हाउ यू फील अबाउट दिस लुक।